Hi, my name is MELO, and this is the new CMF Phone 1 by Nothing. This phone comes in at $199 in 3 different colors: light green, orange, and black. The design is pretty unique and it performs pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the unboxing before the 5-day review. If you enjoy, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's talk about the design. You're able to swap the back cover of the phone by taking out these little screws with a small tool included when you purchase one. It looks similar to this one, but unfortunately they were sold out, so today I'll be using a flathead screwdriver. The cover feels really cheap. It seems to be made out of this plastic or silicone material, and the buttons inside are held by an elastic band, but you can see like it almost looks like it's gonna come off there. It feels really cheap. But yeah, this is the phone without the cover, and unfortunately you cannot remove the battery. In the corner of the phone we have a dial looking circle. This is where you can accessorize the phone. I think the customization aspect is pretty cool. I'd almost call it modular, but unfortunately they didn't allow the battery to be removed, so I'd say it's semi-modular. Nevertheless, it's interchangeable and Nothing offers a few different products to accessorize the phone. So as of right now, we have 3 different accessories that you can add to the back of the device: a phone stand, a lanyard, and a wallet. I wasn't able to order any of these online. It seems like they're out of stock with no restock date, but if you guys know when they're restocking, please drop it in the comments below. That aside, the phone is quite blocky, much like an iPhone. It comes with a USB-C port at the bottom, a micro SD card slot for storage expansion, and one speaker. That's right, just one. I'd use headphones, but make sure they're Bluetooth ones because there's also no headphone jack. Looking at the software and internals, it has the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. Just for measurement, it's pretty close to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM plus a RAM booster, so you can get up to 16 gigabytes. The phone is running on Nothing OS 2.6, powered by Android. It has a 120 refresh rate, so it's really smooth. There's a bit of customization available as well with the wallpapers, widgets, and overall appearance. And the Nothing OS changes the app icons, which I do like a lot. Now, unfortunately, it does not have NFC, which really sucks. You will not be able to pay using digital wallets on this phone, but I guess it's one of the many sacrifices they had to make for the relatively low price point. As for updates, Nothing has guaranteed 3 security updates and 2 OS updates. The screen is a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2400 resolution, and it looks great. I love the vibrant color depth of OLED screens, and it gets pretty bright with a peak of 2000 nits. I was able to see the screen in direct sunlight, but I occasionally had to use my hand for shade when it was really bright. Check it out. Gaming on here has been okay. You can run most games with ease, but more demanding games would have to be ran on medium or low settings, like Genshin Impact or Shadow Ninja. I activated an FPS overlay with Google Play and received some frame drops on Genshin with medium settings.
contact. Sniper down. Reloading.
Cover me.
Target down. Tango down. Frag out. Enemy down. Boom! Headshot. Contact with enemy. Tango down. Enemy down. Down. Tango down. Enemy contact. Our gunship is in the air. Target down. Enemy down. Targets in sight.
The mono speaker was a bit of a drawback, but I'm not too much of a mobile gamer anyways. On the bright side, it comes with a pretty chunky battery. It's a 5000 milliamp battery capable of charging at 33 watts, wired only. The phone does not have wireless charging. However, it does have reverse wired charging at 5 watts. Taking a look at the cameras, the phone has a 50 megapixel rear camera by Sony and a 16 megapixel front camera. The shots are okay. Obviously, they're not going to be as good as a high-end phone, but they're not bad. You can also record 4K at 30 FPS. Check them out. Okay, so final thoughts. The CMF phone is quite impressive. The design is a cool attraction that allows you to make the phone a bit more unique, and for the price point, the specs are there. But it's only able to be that way because of the sacrifices made, the absence of NFC, wireless charging, and the mono speaker. Overall, I think it's definitely one of the best budget phones I've used, most certainly the coolest. I definitely put it up there with Samsung's A55. In fact, I'd like to compare the two. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in watching. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. Bye.